Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'd like to talk about a relatively new update from Instagram. You can now delete a single slide from a carousel post without having to delete the whole thing and repost it. This new feature was announced by Adam Mosseri back on the 17th of November, and he described it as a "finally" feature. Lots of Instagram users had requested it, and the social platform finally decided to build it into the app. Before, if you accidentally included a photo or slide in a carousel that wasn't meant to be there, or the carousel post was posted in the wrong order, you'd have to delete the entire thing to delete just a single slide. Now, you don't have to do that. You can delete a single post, leave the rest of the carousel where it is, and not disrupt your engagement. It sounds good to me. Does it sound good to you? Let's take a look at how you do it. How to delete a single slide from a carousel post. I'm going to use this old carousel post as my example, and I'm going to delete the final slide to show you how to do it. Look for the three little dots and tap it to open up the menu. You'll see a bunch of options, but you'll want the one that says, Edit. You can edit the caption, add alt text, and tag people, just as you could before. If you look in the top left-hand side of the post, you'll see a new option. It looks like a bin. Scroll through until you find the slide you want to delete. When you've found it, hit the bin icon. A pop-up will appear that asks you to confirm the deletion. It also says, after you finish editing, you'll be able to restore this media from settings, account, recently deleted within 30 days. After that, it will be permanently deleted. So if you delete one of your slides today and then change your mind tomorrow, you can simply put it right back. When you hit the delete button, another pop-up will appear, saying deleted. If you're finished editing the post, you can hit Done in the top right-hand corner. I'm using an iPhone, but if you have a different operating system, such as Android, or you're using a newer or older phone or iOS, your screen and the icons may look a little different to mine. Because I deleted one of the three slides in this carousel post, I now only have two slides left. We have successfully deleted a single slide from a carousel post. So, what do you think about this new feature from Instagram? Have you ever needed to delete a single slide from a carousel post before? Let me know in the comments below. What kind of features do you think Instagram needs to add? I hope you found this video useful today, but please let me know if you have any questions, or would like to suggest another video tutorial. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you'd like to see more social media marketing and content creation tips and tricks. Have a fabulous day.